Modern tow rigs and motorhomes are high-tech bits of gear, and we as vanners love wandering into the most remote parts of the country. But what if something goes wrong and that dreaded check engine light comes on? That's where the engine data scan comes in handy. Carry the ultra-clever engine data scan computer with you and you'll always be able to read engine error lights. Because the truth is, some require immediate attention and some aren't as urgent. This clever little tool can save you big time when you're in remote areas, especially if the error code puts your vehicle into limp mode when you can't go more than 20 kilometres an hour. Just plug it into the OBD2 port in your vehicle, almost always up under the steering column. Click the bottom left button, then DTC, then stored, and it'll show the codes. Then do a search on your phone for the code and it will give you the information you need. You can even clear the code to see if it'll come back or if it was generated in error. Give yourself some insight to put your mind at rest. Grab yourself the Adventure King's engine data scan, available from 4-wheel drive Supacentre.